Anti-gravity just got better, and how to download, how to install, and how to set up the ID, all things will cover in this video. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now in the description box, I have attached the link. From there you can download it. Whichever machine you are using, for example, Mac, Windows, and Linux, when you're using different chipset, different structure, okay, you can just select it and you can see the minimum requirements they have clearly mentioned over here. Now, how to download? It's very simple. You have to just click on the download link. In this video, I'm covering for Windows. If you're having any other operating system, you can just click on that particular download link. Now, once you click on download, the file will be downloaded over here. It will take some time. Okay. So just wait for the download to get completed. Now, once the application is downloaded, just double click over here. Now from here you can see it's showing installing. Please wait. Chances are there it may ask for directory, so you have to select the directory like C, D, E, wherever you want to just install. Okay, and just click on terms and condition. Now it is currently loading over here. In my case, it got installed automatically right here, and I did not do anything over here. Now, some of you are facing issue earlier. We used to have an option to just see the files. Okay, like if we want to modify our agent files or whatever projects we want to just modify. Now they just did one thing. They have separated the ID and the agent completely. For downloading the ID, you have to come down over here and just click on this. Then the ID will be separately downloaded over here. You have to do the same steps again. Then you'll be able to use it. So let's wait for the download to get completed. So finally it's downloaded. Now just double click over here. So chances are there for setting up the anti-gravity, you have to just accept the terms like this, click on next, select the folders and just next, and let's come back once again. Okay, so it's correct, next, and just create a desktop and just add this one also, so that you are able to just explore the files directly from the Windows Explorer 2. Next, and simply click on install. Now the setup is being prepared, so wait for it. Depending on your system speed, means whether you are using SSD or hard disk, it will take some time. Okay. Now once it is installed, I'll show you how to open the anti-gravity 2. So finally it is successfully installed. Now you can click on finish. And from here you can see the anti-gravity is successfully live over here. Just click on next. You can continue with Google to sign up. Just select your Gmail account, allow all the permissions, and just click on sign in. Now just open the app and you can see it is currently working very fine. So it's awaiting for the confirmation. Success. Next. Now here, if you are having already some codes, because in the previous version they were using VS Code. So if you want to import the previous codes from VS Code also, you can click on it. Or if you don't want, you want to start completely fresh, you can click on start fresh. Then just click on next and just select the mode, whatever mode you want to use, and then just click on next, and simply allow. Now you can see we are successfully over here in the ID. Now, if you want to use the agent, you can use the agent from here also, or you can directly open the agent app. It is also available. How to open? Just type. So from the search box, just type anti-gravity and you'll be able to find it. Okay, just type anti-gravity and you'll be able to find the app. So it's taking a bit of time. Now, yes, it is working. Now you can see two apps are there. One is the agent app and the second one is the ID app. So you can switch between them if you want. For the agent app, you can just directly load over here and it's loading. Chances are there it may ask you to sign in. Then you have to do the same process like we did in the anti-gravity ID one. Okay. Now it is currently live. You can see we have the latest, all the version of the Flash, Gemini 3.1 Pro, all things are there. Now you can build your agent, and if you face any issue, you can let me in the comment section. Thank you, goodbye, and have a great day ahead.